My dad was incredible. I'm gonna cry already, I'm so sorry. This is why I haven't done this for 4 years. He loved music, and he sang his entire life. And he sang with the Motown choir. Now not the Motown, I don't know what it is.
Tap cats.
But one of the last performances I got to see him do back in 2013 was a Gift of Music performance they did with James Taylor. And James Taylor was his hero. He had dreamed his whole life of singing backup for James Taylor, and I was the only one of my family members, me and my little brother, they got to be there at that concert. It was really special. So because of that, I have a love of music from my dad, but Kennedy helped me put together really last minute, so thank you, Kennedy. Last minute on ukulele today, so James Taylor Mashup / Carole King, because she also helped write one of these songs. Fire and Rain and You Got a Friend. So this is for Dad. Just yesterday morning, they let me know you were gone. You know the plans they made put an end to you. I walked out this morning and I wrote down this song. I just can't remember who to send it to. I've seen fire and I've seen rain. I've seen sunny days that I thought would never end. I've seen lonely times when I could not find a friend. But I always thought that I'd see you again. If you'd call out my name, then you know wherever I am, I'd come running to see you again. Winter, spring, summer, or fall, all you'd have to do is call, and I'd be there. You've got a friend. Been walking my mind to an easy time, my back turned towards the sun. Lord knows when the cold wind blows, it'll turn your head around.
If the sky above you should turn dark and full of clouds, and that old north wind begins to blow, close your eyes and think of
Just
me.
look down upon
Soon
me,
I will be
Jesus.
there to brighten up
Gotta help me
your
make a
darkest
stand.
night.
Not to see me through another day. Oh, I've seen fire and I've seen rain.
Just call out
I've
my
seen
name.
sunny days that I thought would never end.
You know
I've
wherever
seen
I
lonely times when I could not find a friend.
I'll come running.
But I always thought that I'd see you again. Winter, spring, summer, or fall, all you'd have to do is call, and I'd be there.
You've got a friend.
But I always thought that I'd see